turning pain into fuel. Pain is one of the most powerful forces in human existence. It can break a person, distort a person, awaken a person, forge a person. Most people attempt to escape pain. Few learn to transform it. Yet throughout history, many of the strongest individuals were not built through comfort, but through pressure, loss, hardship, rejection, isolation, and resistance. Pain is not only emotional, it is energy entering the system. The question is not whether pain exists. The question is, what will be done with it? Pain can become destruction, addiction, bitterness, violence, collapse, or it can become discipline, clarity, endurance, purpose. Pain is not automatically wisdom, but processed correctly, it can become fuel, transformation. The same fire that destroys one person can forge another. Modern culture often teaches avoidance of discomfort at all costs. Constant entertainment, constant stimulation, constant escape. But avoidance weakens adaptation. A person who never develops resilience becomes fragile under pressure. Growth often requires friction, challenge, sacrifice, temporary discomfort. Muscle grows through resistance. Character develops similarly. Pain alone does not elevate a person. Meaning changes the equation. When pain feels meaningless, people collapse inward. But when pain becomes connected to growth, purpose, responsibility, service, evolution, it becomes easier to endure. Humans can survive immense hardship when they believe it serves something greater. Turning pain into fuel requires conscious processing, not suppression, not denial, not endless emotional spiraling. It requires reflection, accountability, adaptation, emotional regulation, constructive action. Pain must be refined. Raw emotion without direction becomes chaos. Some become attached to pain as identity. Their suffering becomes their personality, their excuse, their social currency, their permanent self-image. This creates stagnation. Pain should be acknowledged, but not worshipped. You are not meant to remain inside the wound forever. Many high performers convert emotional pain into structured action. They channel anger into training, rejection into mastery, loss into purpose, isolation into focus. This is transmutation, energy redirected with intention. Without direction, pain consumes. With direction, pain strengthens. Pain often reveals truths comfort conceals. It can expose weak foundations, false relationships, poor habits, unhealed wounds, misaligned priorities. Pressure reveals structure. Many people do not truly know themselves until life applies force. Pain ignored does not disappear. It often resurfaces through self-destruction, projection onto others, emotional instability, addiction, cynicism, violence. Unprocessed pain leaks into behavior. Healing is not weakness. Avoidance is weakness. Fuel without direction becomes explosion. Pain without vision becomes self-destruction. To transform pain constructively, ask, what is this teaching me? What must change now? What strength must I develop? What can be built from this experience? The goal is not becoming emotionless. The goal is becoming refined. Every person will encounter pain. This is unavoidable, but not every person will extract wisdom from it. Some remain trapped in cycles. Others allow hardship to sharpen them. Pain does not guarantee transformation. Conscious response does. Pain becomes fuel the moment it stops being merely suffered and starts being consciously transformed into strength, clarity, and directed purpose.